Hey, do you care about bugs? What about paleontology? Either way, I might have some cool news for you. I dig dead stuff, and this is Dead Stuff Dailyish, where I tell you about the most recent paleontology news almost daily or whenever I get around to it. So, as most of you know, adult insects have these crazy complex compound eyes that let them hunt, find mates, basically do everything they need to do to live. But in general, their larval forms have extremely simplified eyes called stomata. In most cases, stomata are all they need because most of these larvae are just eating machines. That's all they do. They eat until they're ready to become adults. That said, there are larvae that have more complex behaviors. Like I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with dragonfly larvae that are aggressive hunters, and they need to have complex eyes in order to do that. And that's also the case with a few other species, like tiger beetles, antlions, and lacewings. They all have what are still relatively simple eyes, but a lot more complex than normal stomata, and they have binocular vision so that they can actively hunt their prey. Recently, researchers from LMU analyzed perfectly preserved lacewing larvae in amber and found out that even 100 million years ago, these larvae already had these more complex larval eyes that allowed them to be active hunters. As of now, these are the earliest known eyes like this in the fossil record. As usual, sources are in the comments.